want your students to actively engage in collaborative learning outside of face-to-face contact moments? If so, you could do this by creating dedicated discussion forums in your LMS. But it's also possible to do this using two different FeedbackFruits modules. These modules can support interaction and critical thinking focused around materials such as documents, articles, or videos. Depending on the level and experience of the students, you can provide more or less instruction as required. To get groups started, you could pose specific questions about the uploaded materials, or, with more experienced groups, you might upload the learning resources and leave it up to the students themselves to get actively involved in steering their own discussions. All FeedbackFruits tools are integrated in Elium Blackboard and Canvas and can be chosen from the Tools menu in every course and organisation. To get started, log in and open your course. Create an assignment and then expand the Tools menu so that you can choose one of the interactive FeedbackFruits tools, the interactive document or video tool, or the peer review option. By using the interactive modules and uploading a document or video, you can start an interaction between you and your students or between the students themselves. Let your students know what you expect from them by providing clear aims relating to the intended learning outcomes of the course. Give clear instructions about what to do and pose questions about the document or video if necessary. Also indicate any deadlines and what, if anything, you will be assessing. You can follow the links provided for more information on setting up the interactive modules, as well as finding out about uploading and copying documents, preventing downloads of the material in light of copyright restrictions, and information on setting the rights of the students. Of course, it's also possible to get the students to learn collaboratively from peer reviewing each other's work. An essay, report, proposal, draft thesis, literature review, or other assignment could serve as a starting point for inviting students to provide feedback on each other's work. This helps both the reviewer and the reviewee to learn from each other. With the peer review option in FeedbackFruits, students can review their peers' work according to 3 different scenarios. Scenario 1. Students can individually submit their independent work and will review the work of a randomly allocated peer from their cohort. Scenario 2. Students can submit work individually, but will review a submission from another student within their group. This might be useful when the cohort is split into small groups working on different topics. Scenario 3. And finally, students submit one assignment as a group, and then each student reviews the work from another group individually. More information can be found in the following links. In all these cases, you should provide students with guidance on giving feedback using clear criteria.